Hi guys, we are the group 3 and we are here to present to you our aquaponics.
Welcome to the world of aquaponics, a sustainable farming methods that combines aquaculture and hydroponics. Imagine a sustainable ecosystem where fish and plants are thrived together.
Pag sinabi nating aquaponics, it is a combination ng pagpapadami o pagpapatubo ng isda at saka ng tanim. As you can see, mayroon tayo ditong system, a miniature system na kung saan itong green na to representing sa vegetables or sabihin nating lettuce, this is a lettuce. Then, ang blue naman to representing sa isda. At itong ito na sa gilid ay representing sa mga tubo nagkokonekta sa fish pond at sa tanim. So now, ang waste na mayroon ng isda ay ginagamit dito sa pag-supply ng nutrients. Yung waste ng isda siyang ginagamit na nutrients para makaprovide ng nutrients sa tanim. So it is a combination ng pagpapadami ng isda at pagpapatubo ng pananim.
Aquaponics is a farming method where fish and plants grow together in one system. So the advantage of this aquaponics, the fish gives nutrients to the plants, helping them grow, and the plants also clean the water for the fish. In this setup, uses less water, doesn't needed chemicals, and in small spaces, even in cities. Plants grow faster, and you can grow food all year round. It's an eco-friendly where both grow fish and plants with every little waste.
Hi. Disadvantages of aquaponics is require a high initial investment for setuping and equipment. It's also complex to manage, needing balance and fish and plant care. There's a dependence on continuous electricity, a risk of diseases spread, and limited crops variety, mainly leafy greens.
This such type of farming, it is profitable because there is no need of chemical use, but only a maintenance between the fish that they will not be contaminated and replenishment of or seeds required for the plants needed. Because it is more safer than using than traditional farming that uses chemicals.